Partitioning is extremely important, especially in the earlier years, but if we are given any number, we should be able to break that number up into many different other numbers. What I mean by this is here I'm given the number 17. So you can clearly see I did a rod and 7 ones. What's a way you could break this up? For me, I did a rod on one side and 7 ones on the other. Is there any other ways we can do it? Because I've now shown that 10 plus 7 equals 17. So with the number 17, think of a few different numbers that it could be. For me, I found 1 and 16, 2 and 15, 3 and 14, 4 and 13, 5 and 12, 6 and 11. Is there a pattern you see there as well? This just shows how many possibilities you can have when you're breaking up a number. In this next task, we will be taking apart or partitioning 54. So here we can see that I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you tell me which 3 I did right and which one I made a mistake in? That's right, the blue, I actually counted 56. Every other one has 54. What else could it be? How else could we partition this? The next number I have is 156. So that could be 100 plus 50 plus 6. It could also be 99 plus 55 plus 2. Both add up to 156. Again, what else could it be? So here I've drawn out 156 and I'm going to partition it to 110, and then 46 on the other side, so 156. My next number is 341. How could you partition this? Try a few ones out. My first time is I'm going to break it up to 300 plus 40 plus 1. 341. On my next one, I'm doing 250 plus 89 plus 2. What about 175 plus 125 plus 141? These are all ways to partition 341. My last question I have is 52. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2. So the way that I'm deciding to partition it today is I have 3 100s, 3 10s, and 1, making 331 on one side, and I have 3 100s, 2 10s, and a 1, making 321 on the other. So 331 plus 321 equals 652. The next way that I'm going to partition this is 200 plus 400 plus 52. Is there any other strategies that you can think of to partition this? What about 300 plus 352? Or 190 plus 462? If you keep partitioning just like this, you are going to improve all your math skills. Keep it up.